Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that can make any immigration applicant nervous, a procedural fairness letter. If you've received one from IRCC, it means your application is at risk of being refused. But don't panic, you still have a chance to fix the issue. And in this video, we'll walk you through exactly what to do if you get a procedural fairness letter. So what is a procedural fairness letter? A procedural fairness letter, also known as the PFL, is a notice from IRCC that they have found a problem with your application and are giving you a chance to respond before making their final decision. This means your case isn't denied yet, but if you don't respond properly, it definitely could be. So, common reasons for receiving a procedural fairness letter. The first one is, obviously, misrepresentation. IRCC believes that you've provided false or misleading information. Also, medical inadmissibility, a concern about excessive demand on Canada's healthcare system. Criminal inadmissibility could also be another reason. A past conviction or legal issue flagged you in the background check. Also, employment verification issues. The officer may have concerns about your fake or unverifiable work experience. Security or immigration violations. Any issue that raises red flags regarding admissibility. Now, this is where things get serious. If you don't respond properly, your application will likely be refused. But if you submit a strong, well-documented response, you still have a chance to turn things around. So step 1, read the letter carefully. Identify exactly what IRCC is questioning in your application. Note the deadline. Usually you have 7 to 30 days to respond. Step 2, gather strong evidence. Your response must directly address IRCC's concern and provide evidence to clear any doubts. So some examples of supporting documents can be, if accused of misrepresentation, you can provide correct information, reference letters, or additional proof to show it was an honest mistake. If questioned about medical inadmissibility, submit medical reports, specialist opinion, or proof of private health insurance. If flagged for criminal inadmissibility, provide police clearance certificates, court records, and evidence of rehabilitation. If facing employment verification issues, you should submit contracts, pay stubs, letters from employers confirming your role. Step 3, write a strong response letter. Keep it professional and factual. Avoid emotional arguments. Explain any mistakes, provide clarification, and reaffirm the accuracy of your application. Apologize if necessary, but focus on providing solutions and proof. A procedural fairness letter is one of those most critical moments in an immigration application. If you don't respond correctly, you risk refusal and in some cases, even a 5-year ban for misrepresentation. So if you receive a PFL letter, don't ignore it. Don't rush your response and don't assume it's over. You still have a chance to fix it. Act quickly and carefully, gather solid evidence, and prepare a strong professional response. If you need help with your response, reach out as soon as possible. Immigration cases are time-sensitive, and having an expert review your case can make just that difference. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.